Alright folks, here comes my first installment of Mr. Coolis's instructional Revit videos. What I have done is I have logged in and I've started Autodesk Revit 2017. This first video is just going to show you how to set these drawings up. We're going to do the same thing for every drawing we make in here. So, coming here, we're going to make, we're only ever going to use the architectural template. We will never use construction, structural, or mechanical, so we're going to select architectural template, and that is going to load. And so the very first thing we will always do is come up over to the top left to the R. I'm going to hit Save As. I'm going to save this as a project. And because we're going to have our same computers every day, we can save these locally. We will work on uploading these to the cloud maybe once a week. But everyone should have a folder called Revit Drawings. And then for every type of building you do, or every individual building you do, you need to have a folder for that building. So we've been working on the green utility shed. So I'm just going to call this folder Green Utility Shed. I'm going to open that up. I've already saved a version of this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to select it and hit save and just overwrite it. So it's my drawing, the name of what we're making, and your initial. So save. And then I have this option because I've already made a version, but yes, I want to replace it. So now I have saved. I have a home base for all my work and my drawings. The very next thing we're going to do is come into floor plans. I'm going to right click level 1, and I'm going to come up here to rename and rename it the floor. This will help you keep track of everything that's going on, so you don't put things on the ceiling or crazy levels. Would you like to rename corresponding views? Yes. Come to level 2, right click, rename, and call this my roof. I'm going to hit OK, and yes, I would like to rename the corresponding level and views. And then the last thing I'm going to do is remember these are all your views. Your project browser is all your views. So floor plans, this is a top-down ceiling plan. Technically, this is a if you're laying on the floor and looking up at your ceiling. Elevations, if you're standing outside, it's what the building looks like from the outside, from the north, east, south, and west. Well, I know that my walls or my shed walls are only going to be 8 feet high, and so this defaults to 10 always. So I'm going to come in here to east, double click, and see it has renamed my level. So the bottom of my wall, which ends at the floor, starts at 0, and the top of my wall where the roof is going to sit, I'm going to double click this 10. I'm going to change that to an 8 and then just hit enter. And then I'm just going to click outside of this so I don't change anything else. It's very important in Revit that you are very concise with your clicks. If you start clicking places, it will just go bad in a hurry. So be very cognizant of how you click and where you click. So it looks like everything is set up. And I'm going to come back to my floor plan, my floor. And remember that these outside triangles, these are your elevation views: north elevation, east, west, and south. Sorry, east, west. Anyway, I will actually draw the building in the next video.